How about try this?
I'll
Oh,
try
that'll
it.
probably,
Yeah,
yeah,
probably
I don't know
good.
if that's gonna bust.
I'm good.
That's not very,
I just on the back of it.
there you go.
Hey, let's do that commercial for popcorn.
No,
Kirsty's just having all that on
You
the
can
ground.
try this.
Kirsty's chowing down.
I think this will break if I sit
I
on
don't know what you guys are doing, but I'm working out.
I'm eating.
Doesn't break.
What are you having for your tea party?
Break it.
Yeah,
Cheese
I'm a little bit bigger than you.
Cheese nips?
It's a small girl.
Okay, have your party. I'm taking pictures. Welcome,
I'll trade you.
Jilly. Welcome everybody to your party.
She's like, I don't like the cheese nips either.
I'm gonna go.
No.
She's like, I'll fight you.
Rachel. Don't go stealing from the 1-year-old.
There you go.
Thanks. I like
She's like,
you. You're my boy. The boys got Mario Kart for Christmas.
For the week.
For a week.
I'm good.
Everything. And,
We'll play it downstairs on their 20-foot TV.
And they got Monster.